Have you ever considered the power of dreams and how they can shape the course of an individual's life? This story delves into the lives of three friends, their ambitions, and how their paths diverged based on their circumstances. On a typical Saturday with the white mountains smiling down at them, three friends, Nishant, Ram and I, were asked by our teacher to set a target for our futures. Nishant, hailing from the elite Darbaria family, dreamt of being a king. Ram and I, sons of humble farmers, aimed to become a scholar and a teacher respectively. However, life had different plans. After his father's demise, Ram's aspirations were hindered by financial constraints. His days, once filled with learning, were now dedicated to grazing cows and providing for his family. Nishant, on the other hand, had no such worries. His dreams bore fruit as he studied in Nepal and Britain, eventually ascending the throne and ruling over us all. As king, Nishant's friendship with Ram and I faded into oblivion. We were once close friends, sharing meals and dreams, but now we were merely his subjects. Ram, despite his hardships, found solace in meditation. A negative event in his life had been transformed into a positive one. Through dedicated meditation, Ram accessed hitherto dormant parts of his mind, achieving a state akin to divinity. His journey led him to the holy land of Swargadwari, where he acquired supernatural powers, earning him the title of Swargdwarimahaprabhu. Nishant, now a king, ruled alternately from Kathmandu and Chitwan. During his Chitwan reign, Ram sought to meet him. The land prices were sky-high, and despite the land being donated to Swargadwari, the people had to pay heavy taxes. Ram proposed a plan to alleviate this burden, but the king refused. In summary, this tale underscores the power of dreams and the role of circumstances in shaping our lives. It highlights the transformative power of adversity, as seen in Ram's journey from a humble farmer's son to a revered spiritual figure. It also serves as a reminder that power and wealth can often lead to isolation and estrangement, as experienced by Nishant, who lost his close friends upon ascending the throne.